Yummy. Huh? Yummy. Thank you, Kache. I love the cake you buy for me. After I walk, come back and clean up. And I eat the cake you bought for me. Thank you, Coco Sean and Kache. I love the cake. See? Yummy. He loves it. Oh, see? You love chiffon cake, right? Looks like you're going to finish the whole cake. Huh? Are you going to eat the whole cake, baby? Try this one. I'm so hungry. Not only the cake I ate, I also ate my food. I also want to eat some. You need to eat some. Doesn't want to eat the one? Okay, this one. Okay, it's not the pumpkin now. It's not the pumpkin now. It's not the pumpkin.